This is on a Frigidaire gallery. And I have already popped these off and I've taken the front off. And I have leaking around this here. And so probably the tub seal is bad. So I already snapped the top of the agitator off where you can put the softener. And then this right here, you might need to use a wrench or something and grab it on there and kind of snap it off the side. And then this is a 1/2 inch socket. I've already taken that off. And then the entire agitator just kind of lifts up like that. And then you can see on here that this is just incredibly dirty. And the next step is that I'm going to take these two off, which is going to let this piece come out, which is notched in here, that's holding all of this where it is. You can see though that we need to do some serious cleaning. I'm going to use this just to beam these off some, which will make it easier to get in there with the socket. And you can see that when I did this, I broke the bolt right off. These things they are on there just incredibly tight. And the other one broke off as well. So they do not intend to come out.